Hi everyone, welcome to Life in 360. In today's video, I'm going to say why we are using turmeric for our skin and is it safe to use turmeric on baby's sensitive skin. This wild turmeric package is from Looms and Weaves. I have already made a review video about this product. You can check the description. Now the package is totally different. As you can see, most of us having so many questions about the difference between normal turmeric and the wild turmeric powder. So in this video, I'm going to clear the difference between both. The wild turmeric's scientific name is Curcuma aromatica. This wild turmeric in India has different local names. In Tamil, it is called as Kasturi Manjal, and in Hindi, it is called as Jangli Haldi. Wild turmeric gives medicinal smell and it is less colorful than the normal turmeric powder. Wild turmeric is gentle on the skin where women can use it for beauty purpose. You can apply this wild turmeric on baby skin also. Wild turmeric is expensive than the regular turmeric due to the characteristics and demand. This type of turmeric is used for cosmetics and other beauty products. Now let me tell you about the regular turmeric. It is called as Curcuma longa. So this one also have different local names. In Tamil it is called as Manjal and in Hindi it is called as Haldi. As you can see, the regular turmeric gives more vivid yellow color with distinctive flavor that has very good staining properties. This type of turmeric is used in food and also has very good anti-inflammatory purposes. So which it is used for treating common cold and cough by mixing it in the sweetened milk. Now you can clearly see the difference between the normal turmeric and the wild turmeric powder. Now let us see the uses of wild turmeric in our skin. You can use wild turmeric powder in following ways. Use wild turmeric along with honey to get glowing skin. And you can also use with rose water if you have oily skin. Mix wild turmeric and coconut oil to lower the growth of unwanted hair in your skin. Use it along with buttermilk to reduce mark and wrinkles. Daily usage of wild turmeric with red sandalwood powder would reduce acne. It also helps to remove stretch marks. If you have sensitive skin, never use wild turmeric alone. Use it along with conditioning agents like milk, yogurt, etc. Is it safe to apply wild turmeric on baby skin? Yes, but remember, baby skin is so sensitive, so you have to apply a patch test before you continue using wild turmeric on their skin. After application, wild turmeric won't leave any pigmentation in your skin. There is no yellow spot in your skin if you wash it properly. Choosing original wild turmeric in market is very difficult. If you find difficulties in finding that one, you can buy Looms and Weaves wild turmeric powder. If you have more doubts regarding this, you can feel free to ask questions regarding this. Hope this video is useful and thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel for more review videos. Thank you.